Hello students, now let us discuss today's activity for observing the changes in sound. So for this activity, as you can see, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glass tumblers, 1 steel spoon and a water. You can also take steel tumbler or bowl, your wish. Now I will fill them with water up to different levels, decreasing gradually from one end to the other. Now I take a spoon and strike glass tumbler gently. Please listen and observe the changes in sound. Now I will strike all of them in succession. You will hear pleasant sound. So you have observed that each of the glass tumbler will have a different tone when we strike them with the steel spoon. Here the glass with the more water will have the lowest tone, while the glass with the less water will have the greatest tone. But why? So what happened here when you tap a glass of water with spoon, the water molecule vibrates and creates sound waves through the water. The less water in the glass, the faster the glass vibrates and higher the pitch. Adding water to glass decreases the amount of air space, which means there is less air to vibrate. Whereas the glass with less water will have more air space and the vibration happens more quickly and produce a higher pitch. Thus, we can conclude that the sounds are produced by the vibrating bodies. And faster the vibration, the higher the pitch you hear. And lower the vibration, the lower the pitch you hear. Okay, students, let us take an example. Have you heard about Jal Tarang? The Jal Tarang also works based on the principle of changes in quality of sound. The Jal Tarang, one of the most rarely heard instrument today, is among the oldest instrument in the world. It consists of metal balls filled with water and struck by two wooden sticks. Now let us discuss about the questions which was asked in the activity. So I think you have already got the answer of first question. Let us discuss about the second question. So the question was, why does male voice is louder than female? So it is because of frequency. So as we have already know that frequency is the number of oscillation, or we can also say number of vibration per second. More is the frequency, shriller will be the voice or sound. So basically in human, sound is produced by the vocal cords. However, the length of the vocal cords of women and men are different. Vocal cords of men are longer than the female. As the vocal cords of men are comparatively longer, they vibrate less per second, producing sound having low frequency. However, the vocal cords of a woman being short vibrates more per second, thus producing sound having high frequency. As the frequency is higher, women have shriller voice than men. Clear with today's activity, observing the changes in sound?